Alright guys, what's up? I'm on my way to get my, well, apply for my Chinese tourist visa. A Chinese tourist visa in Hong Kong is not the easiest thing to get. It takes time, it takes preparation, and it's a pretty difficult process, but I should be out of here within the next hour, so it's taking me about 5 hours to get it done. It's pretty much taken up my whole day. Alright, so finally after a 5.5 hour wait, I've got my China visa sent off and it should be here on Thursday. Good to go to China. Boom. All good. Taking a walk after being stuck in the Chinese immigration office for 6 hours nearly. There's a lot of misinformation about getting a Chinese visa in Hong Kong, and I'm sort of tempted to do a separate vlog on it because there's so much misinformation about how you get the visa. One of the biggest misinformations is that you need to get it through an agency. As of 2018, Chinese government have opened an immigration office in Hong Kong, which you can just go directly to and get the tourist visa. You don't have to go through an agency anymore. That is complete misinformation. Not true, so ignore that. Got to book all your itinerary, which isn't the best because, you know, they want proof of it. They want to know where you're going, how you're getting there. They want to know all your transportation, all your trains. And a lot of people, what a lot of people do is they just go on trip.com and booking.com, book a load of hotels and trains. After the visa's gone through, they just cancel it. So if you're a bit worried about having to plan an itinerary for China, if you're like me, an adventurous backpacker, then I wouldn't worry. Booking.com and trip.com, and then you can cancel it once the visa has been processed and go wherever the hell you want in China without having to worry about planning it. So, but yeah, it wasn't too hard. Go back on Thursday, get my Chinese visa on the 26th. We head to China. Which I'm really excited for actually. I think it's going to be a great time in China. 18 days in China, probably not long enough, but we're going to have a great time. Alright guys, welcome to my hostel dorm. This is my hostel dorm for the night in Hong Kong. It cost me $13 US, which is exceptionally cheap in Hong Kong, and it is awful. I've stayed in 90 hostels around the world, or maybe even 100 now, and this is the single worst hostel I have ever stayed in. $13 in Hong Kong gets you the real budget. Just look at this. Basically you have 5 beds and you can't even sit in them. This isn't my bed, but the guy's not there. But look at that, how small it is. This is my bed. I'm here editing some videos. I can't even fit my legs in, and I am only 5'8". Let me just say, if there was a TV program that Gordon Ramsay does called Hotel Hell, well, if he did one called the Hostel Hell, he would be effing and blinding about this place. It is pretty awful. I'm not going to tell you which one it is, but it's bad, but it's $13 US. And at the end of the day, I'm in Hong Kong. I'm having a great time in a wonderful, tremendous place. And so, despite this terrible hostel, I'm going to stay positive, and I'm going to enjoy the rest of my time in Hong Kong. I'll see you in the morning. Alright guys, I'm going to go on a hike called the Dragon's Back, which is about 90 minutes from where I am now. So I've got to commute there, get a couple of trains and a bus, and it's going to be one of the best hikes in Hong Kong. A really great hike. so now I'm going to go and get a bus to the Dragon's Back hike. 2 trains and a bus. Cool little market here. Alright guys, so I arrived at the start of the Dragon's Back Trail in Hong Kong, and my giddy aunt, this place is so different from Hong Kong City, where it's just hectic, crowded. Yeah, there we go. Hong Kong Trail, Dragon's Back, that's the name of the trail. Supposed to be tremendous views. 1 hour, and usually when it tells me an hour I do it in half an hour, but there we go. There's a map here. You are here, and the trail goes all over around here, so I'm not too sure how far I'm going to go, but we'll find out. Alright, so picnic site down there, but I'm not having a picnic. Dragon's Back that way. Sheko Road, which I might have time to go and see before it goes dark, is that way. I'm heading for Dragon's Back. This is it's quite a weird terrain. It feels a little bit like Australia, maybe. Quite bushy, quite dry. I bet there's quite a few snakes around here right now, but let's not think about that. Check that out. Beautiful. What an excellent view. Check that out. Beautiful. Really great. You know, I just thought, yeah, this nature's it's only 30 minutes to an hour bus journey or train journey from Hong Kong City, and it's like this. Better view if the sun was out and it was a clear day. However, beggars can't be choosers. It's still a tremendous view, and let's climb up here now and see what this view is all about. I think you're going to get a good 360 panoramic view from up here. Now let's have a look at this. Alright, go.
Alright, so for the last half an hour doing this trek, I'm almost at the end of the trek. I have only seen about 10 people. Yeah, I'm just like on my own. I could be in a small town in the hills. I could be anywhere right now. Alright, there we go. Finished the hike with a nice view of Hong Kong skyline. There's some apartment blocks that are actually pretty old and decrepit apartment blocks, but it is classic Hong Kong. And yeah, I'm going to head back now. It's been a great afternoon. Fantastic hike. See you later.